Alright, I have a simple little experiment that I want to show you and see what you think. I'm looking at this as Mauna Loa, Kilauea, and right now we know that Kilauea has now completely fallen out and collapsed. However, watch what happens if I put a little liquid inside of the coffee cup and make bubbles. Watch the bubbles on the other side of the sink. Building pressure. Pushes up and out in a ring. Watch how it keeps growing. I thought this was very interesting compared to Dutch Sense on Twitch, that it kind of explains if something's going in on this side. So Mauna Loa is moving simply because it's shifting. But now that this is stopped, it's now building up. And look at the bubbles coming out around the edge. Do you see it moving? It's expanding. It's progression. It's going from one lava tube that feeds the other lava tube, which then feeds way over there to Lehigh Estates. So let's add a little more volcano pressure, Dawn liquid, into the cup, and watch the other side. Pressure, progression, documentable. What do you think?